project is interesting. But before all that, let me introduce myself. I'm Lisetta and I'm the youngest engineer involved in this project. I have been doing shop drawings for the reinforced concrete works of the first basement. Now let's get back to the story. The plot belongs to a major Qatari holding company and our team was assigned to do architectural, electromechanical and structural design. After a few months of work and when we went to the authorities to get the first permits, they stopped us. The Doha metro line would pass through our hotel. The project was almost shelved. However, there are many examples of hotels built over subway stations all over the world and this gave us an idea. We could build our hotel above the station. However, a few years had passed until the project was revived and by then the station and the tunnels were well underway. After we consulted with the QRail officials, they decided they were okay with us building a hotel adjacent to their station and above the tunnels, provided we wouldn't put any load on the station or the tunnels. This presented a new set of challenges and we had to design a set of piles that would slide inside a special sleeve and thus transfer all their loads between the tunnels to the soil below them. In order to make sure the tunnels and station are not affected, slope sensors inside the piles monitor the horizontal movement and strain gauges monitor the loads the piles are called to bear. Additionally, deformations of the tunnels are monitored in 3 dimensions using optical targets. We will be notified if the set limits are reached. How Scia helped? Well, due to commercial reasons, the hotel design was constantly changing throughout design development. Scia engineer was always there to save the day. Useful and user-friendly interface is the combo that allowed us to make changes easily, intuitively and visually verifiable. The project was extremely complex and the structure included fear and deal trusses, foundation piles, tension piles, a suspended foundation, temperature loading, and a lot more special requirements, such as controlling the significant uplift that caused major overturning forces. We addressed all these challenges successfully with the capabilities of the software. Our top features: 3D stress deformation and animation, concrete design, reinforcement templates, IRS, buckling analysis, non-linear geometric analysis, punching design. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as we did designing this building.